Swinburne University of Technology's Factory of the Future is a digital manufacturing technology centre co-creating innovative solutions with industry for industry.
Swinburne University, we're not just a university, we're really here to help equip our partners on their journey towards digital transformation.
Established in 2015, it is the first dedicated state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 facility. As a leader in the sector for students and small to medium enterprises in manufacturing and process-related industries,
the Factory of the Future is a gateway for research, innovation, education and training.
our industry partnerships synthesize technology and manufacturing for advanced business decisions.
The interaction between Swinburne and Integra has been instrumental in being able to help drive the industry information, the knowledge and the connections. We're also part of the internship program, so Swinburne and the team here at the Factory of the Future have been really good at making introductions to students who can add value to our organisation and can provide us with the ability to give them a work integrated learning experience and potentially offer them some full-time employment down the track.
Our processes were very, very manual in the factory. We were producing product of sort of varying quality. Having worked with Swinburne to understand the Industry 4, that's helped us in terms of working out what we need to do to get a better consistency of product.
Factory of the Future is applying hands-on learning in a real-world setting.
From digital printing to AR/VR headsets and robotics and automation, I have gotten hands-on experience with an array of digital tools. This practical exposure has made all the difference to my learning. It's one thing to understand the concept theoretically, but it is completely different when it is put into practice using actual machinery to solve real-world problems.
The Factory of the Future is a response to the evolving needs of industry and the education sector, realising a blueprint for modern innovation.
Swinburne's philosophy is really people and technology for a better world, and that drives everything we do here at Swinburne.